Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to a new video. This is going to be me replacing the smoke alarms in the smoke alarms in my house. So, I installed these a little over a year ago, and it's been a little over a year, so right now I'm just going to replace the batteries in all 9 units of the house. So, right here, I bought a pack of Wegmans batteries. These are alkaline, I think that's how it's pronounced, batteries. And so these should be good for the smoke alarms. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Just going to grab a battery here. And we're going to go ahead and start replacing batteries. So we have an old Duracell battery. I'm going to take note of polarity. It looks like that's positive. Let's see here. I'm going to double check. That's good. And so the bed 3, aka my bedroom, is all good with the new battery. And this is an older label. I'll just take that down. So yeah. I'll keep the old batteries right here. So I'm just going to grab another Wegmans battery. So the next smoke alarm that I'm going to replace the battery is this Kidde KN-COPEIC. I think that's the model number. I'm actually kind of curious to myself. Let me double check. Let's do this backwards. What's the model of this? KN-COPEIC. Hardwired. I'm gonna have to put this on off camera. So yeah, this is a Kidde KN-COPEIC photoelectric smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm. So I have a new battery right here, and these actually have a front-loading battery door, which makes it really easy to replace the battery. So we are just gonna pull that out. There's negative and positive, and oh yeah, these smoke alarms also have a built-in voice, which I think is pretty cool. Just gonna I think that's good. Yeah, it's positive. Just double checking. Come on. There we go. This one's all good. And this is an older Kidde battery when I got these at, I think it was Lowe's. Alright, so right here is a focus. Another 9-volt battery. And next one I'm going to do is what I call bed 1. Just gonna grab this chair. And this is a Firex i4618AC ionization smoke alarm. I'm gonna zoom out for y'all there. And this also has another Wegmans battery. I actually think, yeah, there you go. Take a note. Negative goes in like that. Let's see here. I was kind of expecting that. So yeah, positive goes in like that. And there we go. Another battery. Another smoke alarm. So I label this one bed 2 because there are actually quite a numerous amount of bedrooms in my house. That's negative, excuse me, positive. Let me just double check. Yep. There we go. New rectangular prism. A new cylinder. Get it? This is actually kind of high up. But take out the old battery. Negative. I'll just drop that on the ground. Damn it, I meant positive. and there's a smoke alarm chirping in the background because I replaced the battery, but it will go off soon. I mean, like, turn off or I don't know. And right here is the first floor smoke alarm. It's an older Kidde battery. Yep. Just gonna put that right there. And we have positive right there. There we go. Discord light theme be like? New battery. Let's see if I can reach this. Old battery. Ah, that is positive. Just gonna get rid of that. I also have another one of these Kidda smoke and seal combos. I have 2 of these in the house and 7 regular ionization smoke alarms, so 9 total. Don't worry, it's fine. Whoops. There we go. And last but not least, the guest bedroom smoke alarm. Let's hope this doesn't, Alright, there you go. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.